What's the meaning of cameraman? Cameraman. Cameraman.
Cameraman. Cameraman. A cameraman is a person who operates a camera to capture visual images for various forms of media. This includes filming for television, movies, documentaries, news broadcasts, and live events. The role of a cameraman can involve setting up equipment, selecting appropriate camera angles, adjusting lighting, and ensuring that the footage is recorded properly. They work closely with directors, producers, and other members of a production team to capture high-quality footage that reflects the desired visual style and message. In short, a cameraman is responsible for capturing the visual content of various media productions using a camera.